Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create cards inside a CRM board and manage your leads step by step. A card represents a single lead, task or deal inside your board. Each card moves across different stages, like I have already created new scheduled visit, visit done and won. Once all the stages are created, simply click on go to card. Here we will design our card. So using the card, we can see the particular details of the lead on the board. For example, we will create an example of a real estate lead. If we want to see the name, number, budget of the lead, property type they are interested in. So we will show each detail over here. And to show these details, we have to create a superfill first. I have already created the superfill. So we will just simply click on this sample text. We will remove this sample text and from here we can see all the fills created. I'll just click on first name. It's copied and I'll paste it here. Then we will click on last name. It's copied and I'll paste it here. Then to add another fill, we'll just click on plus icon. We will click on text. Click on simple text. We will remove this text. Now we will add the WAWA number from WhatsApp number. It's copied and we will paste here. We will now add one more fill. Let's click on text. I will just manage this field in a sequence. Now I have created the budget fill. Simply it's copied and pasted over here. We will add one more field from here. Text. Just manage it in a sequence. Remove the sample text and I have created one superfill name as the property type. Just simply click on it and paste it over here. We can also add the buttons for certain actions. So simply click on the plus icon, go to buttons, click on the open chat. So the text is open chat and action is open chat. From the drop down we can select different actions as well. Transfer chat or move chat. We will create one more button. Just simply click from here. We'll adjust the button. We'll remove this text and we will name it as move chat. And we will select move chat for the action as well. And now it is created. You can also change your colors and everything. You can customize your buttons, your card from here. We will simply go to filters for the next step. And here we can add the condition for our qualified leads. Right now we don't have any condition, so we'll just click on create board. So your board has created now successfully. Click on open board. Now we can see in the board all the stages here. Now let us see how to add contact in your board. Go to CRM. Go to contacts. Simply click on view contact. From the superfill in the sales funnel training, we have to update this fill. I'll simply click on new and I'll just click on save changes. Now contact has updated. We'll go back to our boards and see if our contact is visible or not. And here our contact is updated. Now our contact has created in the card. As you can see, our buttons are not structured properly. So from this icon, we can customize our card again. Just simply go to the columns, go to cards, and then I will just reduce the size of the button. Just go to filters, save the board. Now from here you can see name of the lead. number of the lead, and for the budget and property type we can see the variable because it have not been set yet. We can also get these things done via board also. So just click on the variable, go to superfill. Whenever a new lead comes to your number, you have to run the board that collects all the data like budget and property type they are looking for. So you can ask these things in the board itself and you can update the customs accordingly. I'm updating here manually for now, so just simply go to budget field, and for instance I'll just write down here as 50 lakh and I'll simply click on save changes. So I have updated these things for the contact, and now once you refresh this, your updated thing will be visible here. So using this we can manage our lead. Now we see how we can update this lead to a next stage. So we can, for that simply we can just drag and drop here, or else we can also use this button. Click on button, select the column you would wish to move your lead to. For example, we will move it to visit done now and move, and it's moved. We can also directly open chat of the particular lead by clicking on this button, and the chat is opened, as you can see. Here you can see. So that's how we can create a card and add contact in it. Thanks for watching.